In this experiment, we will be observing how being in space affects your bodily fluids. Now let's get right into it.
For this experiment, you will need a ruler, some yarn or string, scissors, and a timer.
As you can see in the video, I stood in the same place for 10 minutes and we set a timer on my phone for 10 minutes just to make sure it was accurate and without us counting. And after a while, I started getting a little wobbly because my legs, it was like they were numb and I couldn't feel them. And they started getting really numb at about the 2 minute and 30-second mark. And it was like they were numb and I couldn't really feel them. And it's like I didn't have control of them.
Next, we measured around her knee. And last, we measured around the lower leg, or more towards the ankle.
As you can see, after she stood in the same spot for 10 minutes, her upper leg measured to about 17 inches, her knee was about 14 inches, and her ankle was 10 inches.
When I was laying down with my legs against the wall, it was definitely a harder experience because it hurt more because you could feel all of the fluids going away from my legs, and it was like my legs got cold, especially my feet. They started to tingle, and it was just, it hurt, and I could barely move my legs when I got up.
When you are standing up, all of the fluids in your body, they go towards your legs or your lower body. But if you are upside down, for example, all of the fluids will go towards your upper body. An unequal distribution of these fluids can cause harmful side effects.
This experiment relates to being in space because when you are in space, there is no gravity, so because of that, there's no certain direction for your bodily fluids to go, so they just kind of float around like any other liquid in space.